Alright folks, let's kickstart your journey to creating a tech channel on YouTube. Whether you're a gadget geek or an AI enthusiast, this guide will get you up and running in no time. Ready? Let's dive in. First up, find your niche. Tech is a broad field, so narrow down your focus. Are you into smartphones, AI, or maybe smart home devices? Pick one area you're passionate about and stick with it. This will make it easier to build a loyal audience. Next, get your gear. Don't stress about having high-end equipment right away. A decent smartphone with a good camera will do just fine. As you grow, you can invest in better gear like a DSLR camera and a quality microphone. Remember, good audio is just as important as good video. Now let's talk content. Consistency is key. Plan your content in advance and stick to a regular upload schedule. Start with simple video ideas like unboxings, reviews, or how-to guides. And don't forget to keep your videos short and sweet, especially at the beginning. Thumbnails and titles are your first impression. Make your thumbnails eye-catching and your titles intriguing. Use high-quality images and bold text to stand out. And always include a keyword or two in your title for better visibility. Engage with your audience. Respond to comments, ask for feedback, and create polls. This builds a sense of community and keeps viewers coming back for more. Plus, the YouTube algorithm loves engagement. Analytics are your friend. Keep an eye on your YouTube studio to understand what's working and what's not. Use this data to tweak your content strategy and improve your channel. Lastly, be patient and persistent. Building a successful tech channel takes time. Keep learning, keep creating, and most importantly, have fun. So there you have it, your roadmap to starting a tech channel on YouTube. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tips and tricks from the Prompt Studio. See you in the next video.